Easy crew, easy crew, easy crew. I've got all kinds of noises going on here. Flying planes in the sky, show planes. And there's some buggy or something over there that sounds like flipping someone's running over a duck or something. I don't know what it is. But anyway, congratulations to Mr. Anchovy last night for winning the Dub Plate Wars session. Also in second place there we had Dr. Scratchy. Absolutely banging tracks. And big up to all the other contestants, man. I'm thinking about doing a show and tell for all the other contestants, as well as anyone else who wants to submit their tracks, where you guys can get production tips on how you can make your tracks a bit better for the contest, or how I feel anyway. So it's not really up to me, but just my humble opinion, with the intent of making helping people to make their productions better. Excuse the kind of piggy noises in the background, madness going on. Yeah, have a blessed day. Peace out.